Hi guys, and today I'm going to share one more video in which I'm now going to talk about five most commonly misused words and phrases in English. Okay, so now it's going to be very interesting. So please don't go away and stay with me and watch this video till the end. All right. So without wasting time, just let's get started. The first word that I'm now going to share with you is only. I'm not sure why people use only every time when they want to say that he lives in this city, she lives in this city. Okay, so when you say you live in Mumbai, when you say you live in Bangalore, why do you say you live in Mumbai only? Why do you say you live in Bangalore only? No, only has to be removed. It's not required. Okay, I live in Mumbai. That's it. Finished. Completed. Your meaning is complete. I live in Mumbai. I live in Noida. I live in uh, Delhi. That's it. You don't need to use only. All right. Moving to the next. Uh, Please revert back. Why revert back? Why additional word is used back? There is no need to use back. Revert itself means a reply. So when you are writing an email to someone, you write, please revert back as soon as possible. No, it's incorrect. Okay, don't say revert back. Just write, please revert. I am writing this email, the content of this email, blah, blah, blah. And then at last, you just write, please revert as soon as possible. I will really appreciate it. Okay, that's it. Third word that I have for you is backside. It's again a very funny, word. Backside. Do you know what exactly backside means? Backside means this is the part of your body, bottom, your the bottom part of your body. You know, you sit on. So this is backside. You do not need to use backside instead of using back. So I've seen people using please take a left, please take a right, go straight, and exit from backside. What what are you saying, man? Exit from backside. How is it possible? Exit from backside? Can you exit from backside? Backside is the bottom part of your body you sit on, right? How can you exit from backside? So just say exit from back. That's it. Okay. The pen is kept at the back of the what? Table. Okay. That's how you can make a sentence. So back is the appropriate word, not backside. All right. Next I have for you is pass out of college. Again, it's incorrect phrase. Pass out of college. It's an incorrect phrase. How? Because pass out means to become unconscious. Okay, pass out means become unconscious. Pass away means to die, but pass out, it means to become unconscious. So you should not use pass out of college. You are basically trying to say that I completed my college, right? So you graduated. So the appropriate word is graduate. So you graduate from a university or from a college. So you graduated from this particular college. You completed this standard. Okay. So you completed your 10th board examination. So completed, graduated, or alternatively, you can use pass, just one word, pass. Don't add out because that changes the meaning. So pass. Pass is enough. I passed my board examination successfully. That's how you can use. Either you use pass or you use completed or you can use graduate. Okay, graduate in terms of college. All right. Next I have for you is what is your good name? What is your good name? What's wrong in this? What is your good name? Do you have a bad name also? I don't think so. You have only one name, or even if you have more than one name, two names, three names, one pet name, then all names are good. Okay, none of them is bad. So what's the point of using the sentence what's your good name? No, it's completely incorrect. It's an incorrect sentence. So stop using that. Then how will you say, please tell me your name? Yeah. May I know your name, please? Don't say, may I know your good name, please? It's an incorrect English. Okay. So thank you so much. And these are the five most commonly misused words and phrases in English that I shared with you. So please keep watching, and thanks for your time. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers.